Hi everyone. Did you know that you can download and work with or edit your Letterland assessments using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel? I'm going to show you how to do that, so let's get started. So the first thing we do is go to Teacher Toolkit and choose Assessments. Then we choose the assessment we want to look at. So if you just want to look at it, of course you can do that here on Letterland, but you can't do any editing. So what you want to do is go back to your assessments, choose the assessment you want to work with, go to the three dots on the right and download. So it's downloading, so it'll be in the download folder on your computer, and you will not be able to open it using this dialog box. So you can just click off that and go to your file folder and go to downloads, and you can see it there. So we know it's saved. Close that window. Now we'll go to Google Sheets. And the easiest thing to do is open a blank document and then do File, Open. And since everything in Sheets is on Google Drive, you have to upload it to your Google Drive. From your device, click on the item and open it. So now it's uploading. And there it is. So now that you have it saved in your Google Drive, you can edit it, and we're in Miss Travis's account. So I'm putting her information. I'm not Miss Travis. So that's how you open it in Google Sheets, and then you can edit it. So there it is in your Google Drive. Now we're going to try Microsoft Office. Okay, so these next few steps of logging into Microsoft Office 365, you should only have to do once. After that, when you select it in ClassLink, it should let you write in. Okay, so to use Microsoft Office, you'll have to do this. You'll have to install the extension after you select Office 365 and add it to Chrome. This allows you to open Office 365 through ClassLink. Open Office 365 application on your ClassLink portal. Put in your email address. I'm using Savannah's, whose computer I'm working at, and log in. Thank you, Savannah. Okay, so now Savannah's logging in. So you have to log into your Microsoft account, and then you have to log in to your Rapid Identity account with your 10-digit user number. Okay, so you can stay signed into Microsoft if you want. So now you're in Office 365. So now we go to Excel. And again, the easiest thing is just to open a new blank workbook. Do File, Open. And then we have to do View More Files. Since this is online, Office 365 is an online product similar to Google Drive. Upload, Files, and then again we're in Downloads on the computer. So we select the document we want to look at, and you can share it if you want, and then click on the item. So there are the contents, and now it's ready to edit. And I would go ahead and just change the name on these by clicking on the title of the document, and then you can click in the cells and edit however you want. And that's it. That is how you can download your assessments in Letterland to Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at jgavin@lincoln.k12.nc.us. Thanks, and have a great day.